Are you ready for the most sought-after skincare secret of 2025? Discover the COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum, your new go-to for radiant, hydrated skin. This isn't just any serum. It's packed with an incredible 96.3% snail secretion filtrate to deeply repair dryness and combat dullness. Imagine skin that's not just moisturized, but truly rejuvenated, with fine lines visibly softened. What sets this lightweight essence apart is its fast-absorbing formula that delivers lasting hydration without any sticky feeling. It's your secret weapon for that effortless, healthy glow everyone's been talking about. Plus, knowing that no snails are harmed in its creation makes this ethically sourced wonder even more special. Ready to transform your complexion? Click the Amazon link below to grab your bottle of COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum. This is the best Korean skincare innovation for achieving your dream skin. Trust me, you won't regret adding this to your routine.